up. Me go lock up your blood clot. Me go lock you up because you cut me. Me just see it a while ago, me out there so sit down and me see when you come around there and you come and you cut me from my hand, and when you see say, me I go wait them there, you run. Me I go lock you up. Yes. I go lock up your blood clot. Me I lock you up.
After the life, girl. And stop your blood clot. Stop follow up stupidness now.
Me I go lock her up.
Stop follow up, girl.
Me I go lock her up.
Lock you up because she don't have no proof that you say you lick her. Did you hit her? Yeah,
she cut me on my hand. See there? My hand a bleed. She cut me on it. She cut me on my hand. I'm mentally and I'm crazy. And this girl don't stop texting for me. I'm mentally challenged, I'm mentally ill. I'm sick with my brain from me, a baby, and she not stop texting for me. And she missy cut me a while ago. And she missy cut me a while ago. And she full up her handbag of stone for come lick me. And I run going to church. Me and lock up destiny. Me and lock up destiny. Me I lock her up, and she cut me on my hand, see them, I go show the police them when them come. Me gonna show the police them, say see there, and she cut me on my hand, and she do it, and she do it, she cut me on my hand, see there, and me drop down out this a while ago. Me drop down out this a while ago.